Shares of Exxon Mobil Corp. rallied toward a fresh two-year high Thursday, after Truist analyst Neil Dingmann raised his rating and price target, saying the oil and gas giant's return strategy is becoming even more shareholder-friendly. The oil and gas giant's stock XOM, plus 0.88% climbed 1.8% in morning trading, putting it on track for a fifth straight gain. The stock, which closed Wednesday at the highest price since January 23, 2021, has run up 11.8% during its win streak. Over the past 3 months, the stock has climbed 12.4%, while continuous crude oil futures CL00, plus 2.32% have gained 3.1% and the SP 500 index SPX, plus 0.12% has advanced 8%. Truist's Dingmann upgraded Exxon Mobil to hold after cutting it to sell about 2 months ago. He raised his stock price target to $65 from $50. Based on our updated forecasts and recent company conversations, we are more confident in shareholder return strategy while simultaneously paying down debt, Dingmann wrote in a note to client. We anticipate further potential dividend increases coupled with share repurchases while not making the plan too formulaic. In the third quarter, the company distributed $11.2 billion in dividends, 88 cents a share, to shareholders, but did not repurchase any shares. The company said in October that it expects a share repurchase program of up to $10 billion over 12 to 24 months, starting in 2022. The implied dividend yield for ExxonMobil's stock is currently 5.18%, compared with the yield for the SPDR Energy Select Sector Exchange Traded Fund XLE, plus 1.27% of 3.87% and the implied yield for the SP 500 of 1.32%. Don't miss 23 dividend stocks that can pass this strict quality screen. Dingmann said he's also more positive on the company's overall capital plan. Although that plan incorporates traditional and lower emission investments, he said the plan continues to be largely returns-driven. When Dingmann downgraded the stock to sell on November 2, he cited relative valuation, as his forecast suggested ExxonMobil's shareholder returns could be less per share than its peers while the stock traded at a more than 10% premium. The stock had closed November 1 at $65.63. Since then, the stock has gained 3.6%, while shares of what Dingmann said is the company's most relevant peer, Chevron Corp. DVX, minus 0.11%, have rallied 7.9%. Over the past year, ExxonMobil shares have hiked up 52.4%, while the energy sector ETF has rallied 48.9% and the SP 500 has gained 25.7%.